Hi everyone, I hope that all of you are doing great. So in today's video, I have really cool features that you can take the instant benefits from GitHub. Now GitHub provides us a really cool feature that we can take the benefit. That is Students Developer Pack. Now many of you might know this and many of you might don't know. So I thought of making a video about this one. Like those who don't know, you can take the advantage of this one. Like those who have came in the new first year of your college and you have got an email, so you can take this advantage, and this one is a huge advantage. So the first thing that is required is a college or a school email ID through which GitHub can verify that you are a student of university or college, because this thing is only provided to the students and to the teachers. So you have to have a college email, and let me show you how to get the instant benefits out of this thing. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends like who can take the benefits out of this video. Okay, and so I will be starting. So first of all, what you have to do is come into your screen. Come in any of your browser and search your GitHub Student Pack. And the first result that will be coming here is the education.github.com, which is the official website. So go into the first one, that is GitHub Students Developer Pack. Click on this first link, and it will open up the GitHub's official site of the Students Developer Pack. So here you can see that here it is coming, education GitHub Students Developer Pack, right? So these features you can get out of from here. So the first one is the virtual event kit. So this means these two are new. Okay, so first, virtual event kit means if you are conducting sessions, if you are taking sessions, posting videos and all these things, so you can take the virtual event kit. Also, then introduction to web development means starting from open source, then hosting your websites, then domain name, and all these stuffs are given here. So in this packs, and many of them are here, right? So you can see all the offers are from here. So you can filter it also, like what you want: cloud, designs, developer, domain, game, and many more, right? So the first one here you can see is the Canva. Now Canva is a really great product, and one more thing I am telling you in the next video after this video, which I will post, is about Canva, where you can get the totally free Canva account, and you with lifetime access, and you can access it. I am also accessing that only, so I thought of making a video of that also, so that you guys can take advantage of that, right? So here you can see the Canva benefit of 12-month subscription. Pro means you will get Canva Pro free for 12 months. Then after that, Namecheap. Now Namecheap is for buying domains name and hosting websites and all these things. So you can get a 1-year domain name registration free on .me TDL. Okay, so here you can see the tags also, virtual events based and all, right? Okay, so you can also take the advantage of Namecheap also, like having your own personal website. So you can buy a domain from this one, and you can host or you can deploy your website there. So that is a good advantage you can take. So after that, the next one is Jetbrains. Now Jetbrains provides IDs like where you code and do all the stuffs, right? Like our IntelliJ IDEA, our Android Studio, then many more, PyCharm, and all these things are of Jetbrains product. So you can get the Jetbrains subscription. The one we use is the community version, but you can get the licensable version from here. You can see a free subscription for students, and you can renew this one annually. Okay, so this is the insane benefit I am telling you, right? So the next one that here comes is Microsoft Azure. Now in Microsoft Azure, what we do is it is a cloud-based platform. We do cloud computing and all the stuffs. So like that is also like Microsoft Azure. You can say DigitalOcean. All these stuffs are basically done through this only. Means like if you take the advantage of GitHub, you can get them like $100 Microsoft Azure credit. So you can take the instant benefit of this one also, like having free $100, right? You would get then access to 25 plus Azure cloud services you would get if you take this. Then the next one is the DigitalOcean. Now in DigitalOcean also you would get $100 credit. Okay, so if you are deploying anything, if you are doing a startup, like if you're having a plan of startup, you are a student and you don't have money at that time, right? So you can take these benefits. So you can start with this one also, right? So this is really good. You can get the domain name, you can host it, you are having the cloud functionalities. All these things are free. So what else is needed for a startup based thing, or if you are a student and you are wanting to make a product, right? So this is a really cool trick, right? So subscribe the channel. I have seen that you have not subscribed yet. Go down, click the red button, subscribe the channel right now, and like the video, share it to your friends. So the next thing is name.com. So this is also a domain based thing, from where you buy domain names and all. So see, there are two domains name you will get from Namecheap, and second one is .name.com. So after that thing, what you have is Educative. Now Educative is a platform where you can learn things about web development and all these things. You can see 60 plus courses, web development, Python, Java, machine learning, and all these things. You would get 6 months free. Here you can see get 6 months free of 60 plus courses you can do from here. Then Bootstrap Studio. Now Bootstrap Studio is for web development especially. You can also get this also. Then GitHub Pages. I have already made a video. If you have not seen that video, check it out. I would give it at the top. Watch that video about GitHub Pages, how to deploy your website for free, right? So next is GitHub Collaboration. You would get a GitHub Pro account. Now what we use is GitHub normal account, but you can get a GitHub Pro account from this. The next one is about Data Camp. You can get all these things. Then there are other things like Front-End Masters, Microsoft Visual Studio. Then term is GitHub Campus Expert. This is really good thing. You can apply for GitHub Campus Expert also, which is for college students especially. Then after that, icons out. Like if you like icons, you can get free icons without paying. Download 60 plus premium icons per month for 1 year. Okay, so these are all the benefits. The main one is the MongoDB. I would like to say, if you are having some website or you are doing some startups, then you must need a backend and a database, right? So without database, nothing can be stored of the user. So if you are needing a database, you can use MongoDB. Here are $50 free credits of the MongoDB Atlas, where you can store all the database. If you are having a startup, or if you are doing projects also, like in which you need subscription, so you can do your projects also by these things, not only startups. So then there are Twilio. Like Twilio are API based services, like sending messages, SMS, OTP verification, and all these types of things are done with Twilio. So you can get 50 credits in Twilio also. Okay, so Arduino, you can get a benefit if you are doing robotics and all these things. Then GitHub Desktops, you can see this thing. And there are many things like Stripe. Stripe is really a great thing, I must say. Like if you are making some projects in which you are implementing payment gateway. Stripe is basically a payment gateway. Like you are making some startup mobile apps or website where you want a payment gateway where user can pay through. You can use Stripe for here, and you can get first 100 revenue, means $1,000 revenue will be processed free with this one, right? So this is a good one, right? So after that, Kodako, then other things are also there. You can check it out. Many things are there, right? So if you total all these things, so it would be more than 2 lakh things which you can get free from this GitHub student account, which others don't have the access. If you are having a student mail, you can easily access it, right? So there are many more things. You can see that one, and this one is really a cool thing. You can check this one, right? So now let me show you one thing that I am telling you all the benefits, but I have not showed you how to access it, how to get the account, right? So simply go at the top, click on sign up for students developer account, click on this button. It will take you to the page where you can sign up with your email ID. I would show you my email also, like how I am having. Click on allow here. It will take you location. Now see, this one is my personal email, okay, in which I have my GitHub account. Now don't do this thing because many times you are making many people make their professional account with their email ID of the college or the school, but after they leave the college or the school, the email ID might not be with them. So at that case, what happens, if you are storing your personal projects and all the things and teamwork things in that account, then it would be gone. Simply it would be gone. So keep all your personal things in your normal mail ID, like the one which is your personal, and you can take access of all the other things from this college email by adding other mail address. Like here I have my own mail ID through which I am doing all my personal works, but this one I have added to get the benefits that is I am showing you, right? So you can see my university name also came here, so you can simply click on add email address, and then college issued email address and all the things, give that and simply click on continue. Okay, why do you want to use GitHub? And simply click on continue. You have to select one mail, give here why you want to use, click on continue, and the rest thing will be done. You would get a free all the things, like then it will come like which one you want to use. The things that I showed you, select them and you can easily access them. So if you have liked this today's video, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, have a great day.